आजाद है बंधन कोई अब है कहाँ। धूप है छत से दिखा तू है नदी बेदवा बह चल कहीं उड़ चल कहीं दिल खुश जहाँ तेरी तो मंजिल है
Ladies and gentlemen, with hearts full of joy and pride, we welcome you all to this grand celebration. Today is not just another annual function, it is a milestone, a journey of dedication, learning, and excellence. Today, we gather to commemorate 25 years of excellence and achievements. I, Ritu Bhatt, with my colleague Ruchi Mundra, will be your host for this memorable day.
Good evening, everyone. Yes, indeed. Our school has completed 25 glorious years, a silver jubilee of nurturing young minds, shaping bright futures, and creating countless memories. A journey that started with a small dream has now blossomed into a temple of knowledge and a family of achievers.
In these 25 years, we have grown together, learned together, and celebrated together. Over the years, we have grown stronger and more vibrant, and today is a testimony of that spirit. We have a fantastic line of performances, speeches, and awards lined up for you. So let's get started.
To begin with, I want to extend our warmest welcome to our Honorable Chairman, sir, whose presence today adds grace and prestige to this occasion. We are truly privileged to have you with us, sir.
His guidance and vision have been instrumental in shaping the path of our school. We are deeply grateful for his continuous support, guidance, and commitment to excellence.
I also extend my warm welcome to the Principal, sir, Mr. S.K. Chaudhary. Under his leadership and guidance, our school has thrived and excelled in various aspects of education and beyond.
It's also my privilege to extend a heartfelt welcome to our esteemed directors of school, Mr. Anil Sharma, Mr. Sushil Sharma, Mrs. Sunita Sharma, and Mrs. Anita Sharma. Their dedication, vision, and unwavering support has played a vital role in shaping the trajectory of school's success.
A very warm welcome to our respected parents who stand as strong pillars of support and encouragement for the children. Dear parents, you truly and cooperation have always been the foundation of our success. And of course, we welcome our ever enthusiastic wisdom. The flame of the lamp reminds us that even a small spark can dispel the darkness everywhere.
By lighting the lamp, we invoke Goddess Saraswati, the goddess of wisdom and learning, to shower her blessing upon us and guide us in the path of knowledge.
So to mark the auspicious beginning of this evening, I would like to request respected Chairman Sir, Principal Sir, and the management members of the school to please come forward and honor the lighting as our light the ritual lamp. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together and welcome the guests. As we begin with the sacred tradition of lamp lighting.
As the lamp is lit, let us reflect in our own ways, with silence, prayer, or meditation. On the light we carry within ourselves and our community, and on the light we wish to spread to the world. May this moment inspire us all to walk forward and renewed hope and a deeper respect for one another's path.
With the lamp lighting, we have marked the beginning of today's celebration with divine blessings. To continue this auspicious start, we invoke the Almighty through dance. Prayer is the bridge between us and the divine. And what better way to express it than through rhythm and movements?
Ladies and gentlemen, let us immerse ourselves in devotion and grace as our students present our prayer dance, a soulful offering to the Almighty.
But I cannot hear the clap to welcome those students. Please welcome the students with a huge
nurtures excellence, and whose leadership inspires everyone to move forward with confidence.
And for us, that guiding force is none other than our
Director Ma'am.
a true mentor who has always believed that education is not just about books, but about values, discipline, and holistic growth.
And now, with great honor and reverence, we humbly invite our respected Director Ma'am to present the annual report, which reflects the achievements, progress, and vision of our school. So now, please join us in welcoming Director Ma'am with a round of applause as we look forward to this enlightened address.
Stage is all yours, ma'am. Thank you so much, Ritu and Ruchi, for a lovely introduction. Good evening. Good evening, everyone. Good evening to Honorable Chairman Sir, Mr. B.L. Sharma ji, esteemed dignitaries, Principal Sir, Mr. B.K. Sharma ji, members of management, respected teachers, proud parents, cherished alumni, and my beloved students. It is with a heart brimming with joy and pride and deepest gratitude that I welcome you to the Silver Jubilee celebration annual function Bharat Ek Rang and the felicitation ceremony of this premier, the Cambridge Senior Secondary School. Today is far more than a date on the calendar. It's a monumental milestone, a radiant celebration of 25 glorious years marked by unwavering dedication, relentless pursuit of excellence, and boundless growth. It is also a day to thank everyone who contributed to our success. This remarkable journey began 25 years ago with the visionary souls, our chairman sir, Mr. B.L. Sharma ji, and managing director ma'am, Santosh Sharma ji, whose dream was not just to build an institution, but to kindle a sanctuary where knowledge blossoms, where discipline dances harmoniously with creativity, and where young minds are prepared to lead the future. That dream started with just 50 students. Today it has grown into a thriving community with alumni across the world carrying forward the Cambridge legacy. It is said that education is the most powerful weapon which we can use to change the world. This powerful truth continues to guide us, lightening our path and reminding us that excellence is not a destination but a journey, an endless quest for growth and transformation. Generations of students
class 12, Master Kana Meena from science stream with 97.80 secured first position, and Chahat Singhal with 97.20 stood first in the commerce section. Besides, never use round of applause at least for the students. Besides these achievements, a significant number of students excelled with more than 90% in their overall performances in both science and commerce stream. They stand as shining examples of commitment, consistency, and academic excellence. Special recognition goes to our subject toppers whose exceptional dedication and hard work have set them apart. In English, Chahat Singhal got the perfect 100. Gauri Chaudhary and Kana Meena got 99 marks in Hindi. 100 marks was scored by Gaurav Prajapati in physics. Kana Meena scored 100 marks in chemistry and maths, followed by Chahat Singhal. Perfect 100 in biology was scored by Keshav Kumar, Palak Kumar, Sanskriti Sharma and Suhani Kumar. In commerce, Chahat Singhal and Chahat Vijay got 99 marks in business studies, followed by 99 marks by Himani Sethia in economics. In accounts, Chahat Singhal and Himani Sethia secured 97 marks. Not only our 12th standard students, but also those of class 10 came with flying colors, showcasing their talent and consistent hard work. In class 10, total 148 students appeared in the RBSc board examination. And we are proud to announce that here also we got 100% result with outstanding performance of our students, securing 742 distinction across all Garima Tehriwal and Harshit Pawar shared the top position with 98.83%. Apart from this, the students have shown exceptional performance in individual subjects also. We take immense pride in our constellations of star performance who secured a perfect 100 in major subjects. Adding to this glory, 73 students scored above 90% in English, 37 in Urdu, 16 in Sanskrit, 14 in science, 16 in social studies, and 46 in mathematics. Not only our class 10th and 12th achievers, but even our young scholars of class 5 and class 8 have raised the bar of excellence. It is truly heartening to celebrate their remarkable accomplishments in the board examination, where they have emerged as bright stars of our school community. These success stories remind us that excellence is not an act but a habit. Let this be the guiding star for us all. In the mind, it is intensely eager. If the mind is intensely eager, everything can be accomplished. Mountains can be crumbled into atoms, proclaimed by Swami Vivekananda, capturing the essence of limitless determination, the mindset our students embody both on and off the field. From the roar of the sports ground to the focused silence of the martial art arena, our students have demonstrated extraordinary skill, discipline, and perseverance. This year, their relentless pursuit of greatness has brought home dazzling array of gold, silver, and bronze medals foster the holistic growth of our scholars, our school offers a vibrant spectrum of opportunities for learning, creativity, and excellence. Throughout the year, activities such as debates, poetry recitation, poster making, skit performances, rangoli designing, excursion, and various skill building sessions are woven into the fabric of our academic calendar. Our school embraces modern learning through state-of-the-art digital classrooms that make education engaging and interactive. A well-stocked library nurtures a love for reading and research, while advanced laboratories in science, mathematics, computer, and robotics foster curiosity, innovation, and practical exploration for the learners of all ages. At the Cambridge School, we have developed a learning system that nurtures every stage of a child's journey, primary to senior secondary. It includes play-based and interactive methods to shape foundational skills, project-based and activity-driven tasks to strengthen creativity and critical thinking, rigorous academics coupled with mentorship, preparing students not only for examination but also for life beyond the classrooms. Our pedagogical approach blends academic discipline with experiential learning, ensuring that every child's curiosity finds space to grow and creativity finds the courage to express itself. None of these accomplishments would have been possible without our teachers, our true pillars, who are the very soul of this institution. Our teachers, ever devoted to continuously enriching themselves through workshops and training programs, are the true architects of this institution. To all our teachers, past and present, we offer our deepest gratitude for the depth we owe to your guidance and wisdom, which cannot be expressed in words. I also extend my heartfelt appreciation to our parents. Your trust is our greatest strength. You believed in our mission and worked with us in shaping the lives of these children. Without your faith, this journey would not have been possible. Your trust fuels our mission and strengthens our resolve to shape futures with care and commitment. As we are celebrating 25 glorious years. Let's not only enjoy the past, but also embrace the future with renewed determination. Let us continue
us of memories, laughter, and learning. Today, we celebrate the journey of the Cambridge School. Founded in year 2000, the Cambridge School has been more than just a place to study. It has been a family shaping thousands of young lives.
Hi everyone, I'm Vijay Giri, batch 2020, and a proud alumni of the Cambridge School. Currently, I'm working with Prescient Healthcare Global as a human resource business partner. So, it feels amazing to be sharing this message with you all, and every time I think of this school, it takes me back to my own golden days. I wish I could be there, enjoying those performances, cheering up for my favorite troop. That's it. Stay focused, stay curious, be at TCS family.
Hello everybody, this is Dr. Prabhu this side. So, the Cambridge School. This is not just a building, it is my childhood, my second home, and my forever inspiration. We're talking about the school where my life really began as a small child in nursery. My heart is filled with gratitude and nostalgia. These walls have watched me grow, stumble, learn, and become who I am today. The school has shaped my entire personality and taught me life's most valuable lesson. इस स्कूल ने हमें सपने देखना सिखाया है, मेहनत करना सिखाया है और सबसे जरूरी एक अच्छा इंसान बनना सिखाया है. Thank you entire TCS family for believing in me.
किसी भी सुंदर इमारत के पीछे उसकी नींव होती है. आमतौर पर हम इमारत की तारीफ करते हैं परंतु नींव को भूल जाते हैं. मेरे जीवन में वो नींव का काम ICS और प्रमुख हमारे प्रिंसिपल. अगर आज मैं कुछ भी हूँ उनका हमेशा सपना रहा कि मैं टीवी पे आऊँ, सपना रहा कि मुझे टीवी पे देखें. बहुत चीजें रही जिनके माध्यम से उन्होंने मेरे शायद गुणों को निखारा और समझा. ऐसी भूमिका मेरे जीवन में जो महती भूमिका है वो ICS की है.
Hey everyone, I'm Keshav. I'm currently working as a software engineer at Amazon, currently residing in Madrid, Spain. Congratulations to the TCS family for completing a 25 years.
Hello, my name is Prakash Sharma and I proudly belong to 2014 graduating class of the Cambridge School. The Cambridge School holds a very special place in my heart as it was the first and most important step in shaping my future and personal development.
Hello everyone, I'm Aparna Solanki. First of all, a very happy congratulations to my school on completing 25 glorious years. I feel so lucky and proud to be the part of this institution. This school wasn't just about studies for me. It's a place where I found my confidence, built my character and learned to be more. I'll always be thankful to our respected principal sir, who was the one to see that spark of leadership to me and encourage me to be fearless.
It fills my heart with pride to be a part of the journey of this school. This is my second home where we learn, grow and enjoy with the student 25 years of completion of the journey, of the glorious journey of our school.
आज हम अत्यंत हर्ष और गर्व का अनुभव कर रहे हैं क्योंकि हमारा विद्यालय आज अपनी 25वीं वर्षगांठ मना रहा है. यह केवल वर्षों की गिनती नहीं है बल्कि समर्पण, त्याग, मेहनत की उत्कृष्ट यात्रा है.
It is a very exciting moment and one of the memorable day for us because the Cambridge family is celebrating its 25-year excellent service and providing one of the best educations. And lastly, I want to thank my respected director ma'am and principal sir for the cooperations and moral support to us.
I have been teaching for 15 years and I have seen the school's growth from strength to strength. I am very proud of our collective efforts, achievements and value which we have instilled in our schools.
यह विद्यालय मेरा परिवार है. इस विद्यालय के 25 वर्ष पूरे होते हुए देखना मेरे लिए बड़े गौरव की बात है. मैं कामना करूंगी कि इस विद्यालय के विद्यार्थी जीवन में ऐसे ही आगे बढ़ते रहें और उनके उज्जवल भविष्य के लिए मैं हमेशा प्रतिबद्ध रहूंगी. धन्यवाद.
Hello. We feel extremely proud that our child is part of the Cambridge School. It has given not just education but values, confidence and so much love. Truly, this school is like a second home for him. Thank you so much.
We feel extremely proud that our child is a part of the Cambridge School. it has given her not just education but values, confidence, and so much love. Truly, this school is like a second home for her. Thank you.
So for me, school was completely a new experience. But when you say that, sometimes the ignorance is bliss. So as I wasn't aware about the system, the culture, I followed my heart. And because of that, I felt like the things became very smooth. Of course, the challenges were not many and the work was like never ending. But now when I look at the students, my fellow students, when they come back and when they share their success stories, I feel like those all efforts have been worthwhile. 25 years is just a milestone. There are many more successful stories yet to come. And keep doing your best, keep rocking, and all the best.
हमने इस विद्यालय को सन 2000 में प्रारंभ किया था। उस समय ये उद्देश्य लेके चले थे कि आसपास में कोई अच्छे विद्यालय नहीं थे और उसकी कमी को पूरा करने के लिए हमने इस विद्यालय को प्रारंभ किया था। मैं प्रत्यक्ष रूप से इस विद्यालय से नहीं जुड़ा हुआ था, लेकिन हमारी एक टीम जो है इस कार्य को पूरा कर रही थी। उसमें प्रमुख रूप से अनिल सर, सुशील सर, सुनीता मैम, अनिता मैम और इसके अलावा हमारे प्रिंसिपल और कुछ टीचर जो उसी समय से सन 2000 से हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए जो इस उद्देश्य की पूर्ति में हमारे साथ लगे। आज हम इस उत्कृष्ट सीमा तक पहुंच गए हैं कि हमारे बहुत सारे विद्यार्थी जो विदेशों में इंजीनियर्स हैं, डॉक्टर्स हैं और वो अपना नाम इस विद्यालय का और अपना नाम रोशन कर रहे हैं।
Everyone is genius in their own way. Our library has amazing collection of books, which leaves me always engaged.
It motivates me to try and play more sports.
The management of extracurricular activities enlightens the mood of children. I like games period. I like my teachers. I like learning new things. I like my dance period. Our school is more than books. It is about life lessons. I have learned leadership here. This school taught me confidence, not just maths. More than grades, I found courage here. TCS taught me confidence and teamwork. TCS taught me how to participate in each and every activity. TCS has taught me values that will stay forever. TCS is where learning is found. We are the future, and TCS is building us strong.
25 years of learning, 25 years of memories. And today, we celebrate not just the past, but the bright future ahead.
Wasn't that documentary truly heartwarming? If it is, then it needs a clap. It beautifully captured the 25 years journey of our school, the vision, the hard work, and the countless memories that make the institution what it is today.
Yes, indeed. And now we come to one of the most awaited moments of the evening. It is time to celebrate the shining star of our school, the students who have made us proud with their achievements and in academics. Prizes are not just awards but symbol of hard work and perseverance achieved by our young talents. To take us through this prestigious ceremony, we would like
और अभिनंदन। मैं अर्चना सिंह द कैम्ब्रिज स्कूल सीनियर सेकेंडरी डिवीजन की तरफ से आप सभी का यहाँ पर स्वागत करती हूँ। मैं रिस्पेक्टेड चेयरमैन सर, प्रिंसिपल सर, डायरेक्टर मैम और यहाँ पर उपस्थित सभी गणमान्य जनों का हार्दिक अभिनंदन करती हूँ। Before moving forward, I would like to thank our Director Ma'am for giving me this opportunity to stand on this podium of knowledge and excellence. With the blessings of Almighty and Devi Saraswati, we are here to celebrate the 25 years of delivering excellence in the field of education. As being said, a student's success is ultimate testimony to the well-being of school. I genuinely believe that the students who are alumni now can relate very well with me when I say the seeds of pragmatism. So I'm supposed to be a teacher, and if I'm speaking these words, so I'm supposed to explain you all. Pragmatism refers to कि आप जो सीखते हैं उसकी क्या व्यवहारिकता है, right? Whatever you are learning from school, उसका क्या application है? तो the seeds of pragmatism, aptitude is आपकी क्षमता. Like there are students who are gifted and there are students who are shaped up in the school only, या उनके skills school में ही develop किए जाते हैं. तो the seeds of pragmatism, aptitude and most importantly of overall development, that is Sarvangeen Vikas, that have enabled them to make crucial decisions of life, and these were laid in you all during the school days as students. As a student, you may have witnessed that the philosophy of teamwork, unity, community runs in the basic fiber of the school. So, I'll be requesting our respected dignitaries, please join us on stage for felicitation ceremony. अब वो समय आ गया है जिसकी प्रतीक्षा हम सब बहुत ही बेसब्री से कर रहे थे. वो खूबसूरत पल हमारी आंखों के सामने आने जा रहा है. So welcoming you all to the most awaited event of prize distribution ceremony. So if you say prize distribution ceremony, what do you mean? It's a token of appreciation for the students who did exemplary good in studies, right? It's an event just to cheer the students and let other students to aspire for the same. Shall we put our hands together for this legacy of learning? And for the moment, I would like to invite the dignitaries, respected Chairman Sir, Director Sir and Principal Sir to grace the stage and to carry this special moment forward. Please, sir. Please keep on cheering, right? Because there will be a day when you will be felicitated too, and I believe you will too expect people to cheer for you. So, तालियों in the students' achievements. तो शुरुआत करते हैं हम हमारी पहली श्रेणी की, जो कि स्कूल टॉपर्स की है, followed by students who scored more than 90% of the marks, right? So सबसे पहले मैं क्लास 12 के टॉपर कान्हा मीना जी को स्टेज पर बुलाना चाहूंगी, जिन्होंने 97.8% मार्क्स ऑब्टेन करके हम सभी को गौरवान्वित किया है। ये तालियों की गड़गड़ाहट रुकनी ही नहीं चाहिए, क्योंकि इन्हें ज्वाइन करेंगे हमारे बाकी साइंस स्ट्रीम के टॉपर्स, जिन्होंने मोर देन 90% स्कोर किया है। तो स्वागत कीजिए उन सभी का। मैं उनका नाम ले रही हूँ। पहले मैं क्लास 12 साइंस स्ट्रीम के टॉपर्स का नाम लूंगी, मोर देन 90%, फॉलोड बाय कॉमर्स टॉपर्स। संस्कृति शर्मा, इन्होंने 97.2% स्कोर किया है। गौरी चौधरी 97.0, पीहू नैनपुरिया 96.0, सुहानी कुमावत 95.0, आयुष नेगी 93.2, दिविशा शर्मा 91.8, दीपिका कुमारी अग्रवाल 91.4, हर्षिता नोगिया 90.8, रौनक चौहान 90.6। Now it's the time for felicitation. So keep on clapping. हम चलते हैं क्लास 12 कॉमर्स टॉपर्स की ओर। जोरदार तालियों से स्वागत कीजिए चाहत सिंघल का, जिन्होंने 97.2% मार्क्स हासिल करके कॉमर्स स्ट्रीम में टॉप किया है। ये तालियों का सिलसिला रुकना नहीं चाहिए। ये इनकी हौसला अफजाई करता है और बच्चों को भी प्रेरित करता है। और ये एक योगा एक्सरसाइज भी है, हेल्थ रीजंस भी अच्छे हैं। चाहत सिंघल के बाद मैं बाकी कॉमर्स टॉपर्स का नाम लेना चाहूंगी, जिन्होंने 90% मोर देन 90% मार्क्स अचीव किए हैं। मैं उनके नाम 1 by 1 अनाउंस करूंगी एंड वो प्लीज आगे स्टेज पे ज्वाइन करें। उन्हें एक ही बार में फेलिसिटेट किया जाएगा, राइट? सो हिमानी सेतिया, चाहत विजय, कुमकुम शर्मा, पीयूष मित्तल, चांदनी, चक्षिता कसौटिया, ऋचा विजय। मैं इनके परसेंटेज बोलना चाहूंगी। हिमानी सेतिया 94.8, चाहत विजय 93.6, कुमकुम शर्मा 93.2, पीयूष मित्तल 93.2, चांदनी 90.8, चक्षिता कसौटिया 90.2, ऋचा विजय 90.2। wings of our shining toppers ready to take flight. तो अब जोरदार तालियों से स्वागत करें हमारे क्लास 10 के टॉपर्स का, जो कि एक नहीं दो है। हमारा स्कूल टॉपर्स प्रोड्यूस करने में भी बोगो पॉलिसी अप्लाई करता है, बाय वन गेट वन। एक नहीं, हम एक बार में 2 टॉपर्स प्रोड्यूस करते हैं। सो मैं नाम लेना चाहूंगी गरिमा देही मीवाड़ एंड हर्षित पवार का। इन दोनों स्टूडेंट्स ने 98.83 स्कोर करके सभी को प्राउड फील कराया है। गरिमा देही मीवाड़, हर्षित पवार, प्लीज जॉइन अस फॉर फेलिसिटेशन। यकीन मानिए ये सिलसिला रुकने वाला नहीं है। आप ही सोचेंगे कि मैम ये नाम लेना कब बंद करेंगी। तो प्लीज जोरदार तालियों से स्वागत करें बाकी टॉपर्स का। लक्षिता बेनीवाल 98.3, गर्विता गोयल 97.83, लविश शर्मा 97.67, यश गोयल 96.33, वेदांश कुमार 96.00, हिमानी सैनी 95.8, हिमांशु शर्मा 95.8, पूजा मीना 95.67, सृष्टि वर्मा 95.67, पायल शर्मा 95.33, तपस्या सिंह 95.33, भव्य गुप्ता 95.83, चित्रांश सैनी 94.83, लक्ष्य पलसालिया 94.83, मेघा लखावत 94.83, अभिनव सोनी 94.5, अक्ष कुमावत 94.5, कार्तिक शर्मा 94.5. Now there is a break. The list still goes on. Past felicitation, I will request Class 12 awardees to shift on the right side of the stage and Class 10 awardees to shift on left side of the stage. They have to stay on the stage only, but 12th in right and 10th in left. Since the list is endless, so we got for a break. Now we are moving forward past Karthik. It's Bhavika Sharma 94.3, Mayan Maurya 94.0, Nivesh Agarwal 94, Radhika Garg 94, Vanshika Sharma 94, Yash Kumar Jha 93.67, Aditya Tatu 93.50, Vanshika Bhardwaj 93.33, toppers should remain on stage other than those whose name I'm about to. So, firstly, I'll be calling names of subject toppers from class 12th. Chahat Singhal, she scored 100 marks in English. Gauri Chaudhary and Kana Meena, they scored 99 in Hindi. Gaurav Prajapati, he scored 99 marks in physics. Kana Meena, he scored 99 marks in chemistry. Kana Meena topped in maths 2 with 100 marks. Chahat Singhal also scored 100 in maths. Sanskriti Sharma, Suhani Kumawat, Palak Kumawat, Keshav Kumar, all four of them have scored 100% marks in biology. Chahat Singhal and Himani Sethia, they scored 97% marks in accountancy. Chahat Singhal and Chahat Vijay scored 96% marks in BSc. Himani Sethia topped in economics with 99% marks. Please give a big round of applause for these students. So let's continue cheering our junior champions, subject toppers from class 10th. In English, Aditya Sharma, Aditya Tatu, Akshita Bagri, Bhavika Sharma, Bhavya Gupta, Lalit Sharma, Lavish Sharma, Mohit Verma, Monica Meena, Payal Sharma, Radhika Garg. These 11 students have scored 100% marks in English. Kudos to their teacher. In Hindi, Garvita Goyal got 99% marks. In Sanskrit, Garima Demiwal, Garvita Goyal, Harshit Pamar, Lakshita Beniwal, Tanmay Bhardwaj, Vedansh Kumar and Yash Goyal got 99% marks. They all scored 100% marks in science. In maths, Akshat Kumawat, Himanshu Sharma, Radhika Garg, Soumya Singhal scored 100% marks. In SST, Garima Devi Wal scored 100% marks. That's all. So please cheer them by clapping. Before signing off, I would like to congratulate the winners and wish them success for their future endeavors. I would also like to extend my sincere thanks to the Chief Guest Sir, Chairman Sir, Director Sir, Principal Sir, Director Ma'am, and all the dignitaries present on the dais for sparing their valuable time in spite of their serious engagements. And finally, thanks to our lovely audience who watched the entire program patiently and encouraged the bright talents with their claps and cheers. I sincerely appreciate everyone present here for making this moment a reality despite your packed schedule. Moving forward to other part of the program, a legacy where we are going to celebrate our country, Bharat Ek Rang. Thank you.
Thank you, Ashana. And congratulations to all our young achievers who made this evening brighter with their success. Truly, your hard work and dedication inspire us all. With that proud moment, we now move into the heart of tonight's celebration. The cultural presentation woven around the thought that is close to every Indian heart.
Theme of this year's celebration is Bharat Ek Rang. After all, India is known as the land of many colors, from the white of snow-clad Himalayas to the golden sand of Rajasthan, from the green paddy fields of Kerala to the blue waves of Arabian Sea. India is a land where every region has its own language, attire, and traditions.
Excuse me, awardees are requested to please collect on the right side, exit gate of my right side to collect their certificates. Yes, of course. Every festival, every tradition, and every song adds a unique shade to this vast canvas of our nation. But when all those colors blend together, they form a single hue.
Yes, it is the color of courage that echoes in the voice of our soldiers, the color of compassion that shines in our festivals, the color of
across the beautiful nation. A journey